This week, a revived 1960s classic is reborn as a modern electric Restomod, blending instant torque with retro charm. Its silent EV powertrain preserves the silhouette while delivering rapid acceleration and advanced battery cooling. Tech highlights include an augmented reality dash, a wireless charging dock, and an adaptive suspension tuned for city and highway. Manufacturers emphasize affordability through modular kits, offering restoration shops a practical path to electrified classics. Streamlined design meets heritage on the open road, proving that timeless cars can thrive in the electric era.